this series. 1 plus 1 half plus 1 quarter plus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 16th plus 1 over 32 plus 1 over 64 plus 1 over, in general, powers of 2. Infinitely many terms added up. So the way to demonstrate this, I'm going to use my favorite coordinate system in this room. So this is my origin once again. And I'm ignoring y-axis and z-axis. Just, I'm looking at the x-axis now. This is my positive direction. Okay? I'm going to step 2 units away from the origin. So 2 steps. 1, 2. 2 steps away. You see, guys? Now, I'm going to go through iterations. So every second of time, I'm going to change my position with respect to this x-axis. And the rule that I follow is as follows. I'm going to walk half of the remaining distance. Half of the remaining distance. That's the rule that I follow. Ready? So I'm 2 units away, times 0. 2 units away, time 1. 1. Time 2. 1 half. Time 3. 1 quarter. Time 4. 1 eighth. 1 16th. 1 32th. 1 over 64. Okay? This is what's happening now. Going back. How's that related to the series that we're trying to analyze from the perspective of its convergence? These numbers as I walk, if I'm adding these numbers up, those are exactly the numbers that I go through on this x-axis. So the question of adding them up is equivalent to the question of what's the distance that I have traveled. Yes? So again, time 0, I'm 2 units away. Time 1, I'm 1 unit away. That's the first number in that series. Time 2, 1 half plus 1 half. So this is the distance I've traveled so far. 1 plus 1 half plus 1 quarter plus 1 eighth plus 1 16th plus. Yeah? So this is a series. It's my travel distance. Now I have another problem. I'm bashing into this lecture now, and that's because I'm not skinny enough, right? I need another assumption. I need to be infinitely skinny. I need to be a point, mathematical point, so I have no width at all, okay? To demonstrate this example, so I'm not bashing into the lecture. And I also need one more assumption. I need to live forever, yeah? Because I have infinitely many terms. I need to be doing this thing forever. So I'm skinny and I live forever, yeah? I'm not saying that skinny is good, by the way, but so these are my mathematical assumptions. Right. And the question is, we're trying to find what does these numbers add up to, or do they add up to a finite number? Okay, do they? One more time. Time 0, 2 units away. 1 unit traveled, plus 1 half, plus 1 quarter, plus 1 eighth, plus 1 16th. And I'm skinny, right? So I'll keep on doing this. Ignoring time. What's the distance that I have traveled? 2. The sum is 2, right? If I keep doing it infinitely many times, I will be there. Right? This is our proof that the sum of infinitely many numbers actually is 2. It's a finite number. Is it mind-boggling? Infinitely many numbers add up to 2.